Welcome back, everyone. After a long, stressful week at work, we got just the right gadgets that are going to improve your life and comfort. Grab onto your seat because we'll be exploring 17 of the coolest gadgets you can get your hands on today, specifically for relaxation. Stay with us till the end. We make sure to save the best for last. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our videos. Number 1. Electric Scalp Massager. Unfortunately, being bald isn't the beauty standard right now, so this product is a must. Washing your hair has never been more luxurious than now. This waterproof electric scalp massager with 4 moving parts that can rotate at different speeds and in different directions. It is simple and pleasant to use. Just turn it on by pressing a single button. Put it to your head, choose the right speed, and feel the pleasure. After a thorough massage, you can remove the nozzles. Wash the gadget with water. Put it on the base and connect the USB wire for charging. The massager is sold in 2 designs, so you can choose the model to your taste. Not only does it feel like you're at a spa, but you're also strengthening your hair follicles and growing thicker, healthier hair. Number 2. Electric Head Massager. If you want a more modern gadget and massage of the whole head, then you will like this next massager. Yes, it looks like a device for mind reading. After switching it on, and we'll just start to massage. If the previous massager had 4 moving parts, this one has as many as 30 massage points, and you can adjust its intensity. Number 3. V-Tex Shoe. Traveling can be a hassle. That's why you should have V-Tex. These shoes ensure your relaxation. A universal shoe to match the different units of your trip. The V-Tex is a lightweight cushioned outsole that provides you with the optimum flexibility for perfect balance on each step you take. The shoe's insole is made up of a fast recovering memory foam that enhances comfort and increases support by naturally forming into your field. The patented 4-layer design of the V-Tex shoe provides extreme comfort to wearers. The V-Tex shoe is the right choice for your unique relaxing travel. Number 4. Eye Massager. We got massagers for the whole body. Next up is for the eye. The eye massager is particularly well suited for those who work a lot at the computer. Put this gadget on your eyes and it will relieve tension from the eyes after a hard day's work with the help of heat magnetic fields, acupressure, and vibration. The super glasses are equipped with speakers. Relaxing sounds of nature will play from them during the massage. I already want to put these glasses on and relax. What about you? Number 5. Theragun Elite Percussive Therapy Device. Therabody is the world innovator in handheld muscle rub gadgets, and the Theragun Elite is their calmest gadget of all time. Richly planned, the lightweight and savvy percussive treatment gadget that can be utilized all around the body to relieve a throbbing painfulness discharge, any strain, and help to fix your body after exercises. Therabody's percussive treatment gadgets are experimentally adjusted with a 16mm sufficiency to venture too profound into the muscles and animate hotness and bloodstream, assisting with getting oxygen and flushing poisons out hydrating. Theragun gadgets are a successful approach to overseeing muscle agony and strain without prescription. An advantage of well-being exhortation is customized to your action and way of life. Number 6. Relaxing Gel Eye Mask. For those of you who do not want to fork out for futuristic massage glasses, we found this gel mask. Additionally, you can continue to work or even go to bed in this mask. Before use, just put the mask into the refrigerator for 2 hours or in the microwave for 20 seconds. The mask helps to reduce discomfort and promotes normal blood circulation, as well as helping you fall into a deep, comfortable sleep. What more could you want? Number 7. Body Massager. We are officially in a recession, meaning we can't get weekly body massages without going broke. Here's your solution to be just as relaxed from the comfort of your home. You can even give your girlfriend or wife a Pure Wave CM07 massager. It is recommended by sports coaches and therapists. The massager can manage powerful shock and micro vibration therapy due to its 2 motors, and is suitable for almost the whole body. The massager comes with several nozzles and has not only a relaxing but also a healing effect. It deserves your attention, and your muscles deserve the relaxation. Number 8. Eye and Head Massager. If you want to get complete relaxation to disconnect from the outside world, take a look at iDream Massager. This helmet will not only massage your head, but it will also massage your eyes while playing soft music that you can choose. Vibration, music, temperature, and pressure can be controlled by wireless remote control. The massager fully adapts to the size of your head, so you do not need to bother with choosing the right size. You only need to put it on and turn it on. Play the music and relax completely. This interesting gadget can cost you about $400. Number 9. TCL Breeva Air Purifier. After the pandemic settled, being conscious about our cleanliness has skyrocketed. Making sure your air is clean is important to pay attention to. The TCL Breeva Air Purifier combines technology and healthy living like never before. This purifier will allow you to capture 99.97% of allergens in your home. 2 air quality sensors will tell you when your air quality is diminished. UVC purification will sterilize any dirty or contaminated air in seconds. And Wi-Fi connectivity is included, so that you can pair your purifier with Alexa or any other home assistant. A quiet mode will also help when you're sleeping, offering you up to 246 square feet of coverage, which will be fully filtered and treated up to 5 times per hour. Number 10. Inflatable Frontal Travel Pillow. It's time to sleep, and you can't do it without a comfortable pillow. For example, these options are suitable for those who often travel and have to sleep even in the car. The first pillow is easy to inflate and can be used not only for sleeping outside, but in the car and even at a table. It is also convenient for hanging out on social networks or watching a movie in solitude. You can keep this second option on your head for a whole day. It is the perfect relaxing pillow for a weekend or a long flight, isn't it? Number 11. Massage Mat. When you finally get home, you can settle down on this mattress comfortably. This mattress has 5 types of massage and 3 modes of intensity, and you can use it on a bed, a sofa, an armchair, or even on the floor. It folds easily and takes up little space when folded. Would you settle on it right now? Number 12. Enter Keynap Pillow. Keep your keyboard undamaged. When you're preparing an import report, we have found a large enter key. It can be connected to a computer, and you may bang on it when you send a message to your boss. It can also be used as a pillow to sleep at work. It's a pity that there is not a keyboard consisting of such buttons entirely. Number 13. Electric Acupressure Palm Hand Massage. With our phones and computers constantly being used, our hands and fingers are often tired after a long day. This massager is suitable for both strong male hands and gentle female hands. By the way, this gadget can be used in conjunction with your favorite hand cream to get a double effect massage due to the small pressure and heat that comes from the gadget. Number 14. Back Straight. For those of you who want to get a straight posture, but do not have time to go to the gym, we found this great corset for the back. It's easy to wear and customizable to your preferences, and if desired, it is possible to cover it with your clothes. If you wear it all the time, the advantage of this thing is that you could work, walk, run, sit, and your posture straightens up eventually. Number 15. Lumbar Support. This option is suitable for those who do not want to walk in a corset all day long. Just fix this corrector on your seat or your driver's seat and enjoy maximum comfort. Thanks to the breathable structure, your back will not sweat and will be well ventilated. Number 16. Acupressure Magnetic Insoles. Now, let's move on to the health of your feet. These insoles were not only for a massage of your feet. When warm, it will provide you with a deep and sweat sleep. As your feet will not be so tired during the day, 5 magnets make wellness acupressure magnetic massage. Additionally, the size of the insoles is universal. If you need a smaller size, just cut off the excess with scissors. Number 17. Orthopedic Pillow. We will finish our relaxing collection with this orthopedic pillow. Its shape is made taking into account all the features of the neck, head, and spine structure to make you sleep as comfortably as possible. Yes, this pillow is suitable for all sleep positions. It does not matter whether you sleep on your side, on your stomach, or on your back. This pillow supports your neck in the right position to help avoid health problems in the future. I think you must have some of these gadgets to make your body perform well. That's all for now. We will see you in our next video.